Hi guys, welcome to the last episode of Workout Wednesday in the year 2020. Oh, I am so excited. I am back to Port Harcourt. I came in yesterday from Lagos for the holidays, for Christmas, to spend the new year with family. And whenever it's Christmas, everybody, we try to come home and spend it with family. This is where my parents are based, and so we just come here and try to enjoy the Christmas. I'm still, of course, going to be working out as frequent as I can. I'm going to cheat a little bit maybe during Christmas and during the new year, but I'm going to be working out and I'm going to take you to, okay, this is actually my mom's shop and I think she's doing some renovation or something, but I'm going to be taking you to my previous office where I used to run health entertainment and where I will be working out during this season. So just stay tuned. En route to my office. En route to the office. Okay. So here we are in my compound, and this is my office. I've not been here since January. I haven't been here since January 2020, and this is December. And let's see what it looks like. Let's see. Okay. Okay. This is it. Close. It's not nice. So I'm just going to try to turn this up a little bit. It's my rechargeable, and so you guys can see what my office looks like. It's very empty because I got robbed 2 years ago, and since then I've really not put anything in it. So this is like my favorite part of the office, because this is where I always work out. Here it has a full-sized mirror, you see that? And that is why I love this place so much. And this is where I'm going to be doing all of my workouts during this festive period. It's very close to the road, so you may be hearing a lot of cars passing and stuff, okay? So the fact that we're in the festive period doesn't mean we should just throw away our healthy manners. As much as possible, you still have your goals, so try to stick to them, okay? And keep working out, keep eating healthy, eat your fruits, drink your water, eat vegetables. Just try to live a healthy lifestyle, guys. Personally, I'm still on my New Year resolution of eating 2 fruits every day, drinking 2 liters of water, doing 200 skips, doing 2 minutes plank. I've been doing it since the 1st of January 2020. Sometimes I miss it maybe twice or thrice in a month, but so far I have really been trying. If you want to keep up with it, you can check out on my Instagram handle that I'll be putting right here. Yes, you can check out all I've been doing over the past 300 and something days. Okay. So guys, for me, my workout is going to constitute of all the workouts we already have outlined on the December calendar, which constitutes of squat, jack, alternate, floor touch, cross jumps, our usual skips, leg raises, triceps dips, wall sits, and biceps curls, and a whole lot more. And also we're going to be doing this combo that Queen actually put together on our Instagram. So the first workout kind of consists of squats and a kind of high knee combo, where as you're squatting, you're passing an object around your legs, and even while you try to do the high knees, you also pass the object around your legs. It works greatly for your glutes, your thighs, and your legs. Then the second one comprises of sort of a bicycle crunches, and you kind of lift yourself off the ground and you go back down, lift yourself off the ground while you also pass the object around your legs. It's a great abs workout. Then the third one constitutes of mountain climbers and straight arm plank. So you do the straight arm plank, you use the object to touch your feet, you take it back, you use the object to touch your other feet, take it back, and then you do the mountain climbers. This workout is a great core workout. It also can serve as a cardiovascular workout and can also strengthen your arms. Then the fourth one constitutes of doing the side lunges. So as you move from one side to another, you throw the object down, you catch it, you move to the other side while you do your side lunges. And this workout is great for your thighs, your glutes, your arms, and your legs. And the last workout is a great cardiovascular workout where you just hop, and as you hop slower, faster, you try to pass the object around your legs. I tried this workout, and the day I tried it, I almost passed out. But they are great full body workouts that you can do, and I'll always encourage every one of you to do. So I know most of you will want to say, okay, I'm going to wait till next year to make a New Year resolution before I start to do anything. But I think that's a bad idea, because come on, over the past 5 years, we've been making lots of New Year resolutions and it's not very fruitful. So why not start now? Why not start today? And just take it gradually. So you can start by cutting off maybe fizzy drinks a little bit. You can start by saying, okay, out of the 7 days, I'm going to work out twice a week. Just add a little bit of healthy living to whatever you're already on, and I can assure you, when you now start making that New Year resolutions of the kind of things you want to do, it gets easier for you. And you can always enjoy your junk. The problem is, most of the time we want to eat junk all the time, and that's where we now have problems. But if you cut it down to eating it maybe once a week or twice a week, you may not have so much problem like you usually do. Okay, so this is me signing off on the workout segment in 2020. I will definitely see you guys in 2021, and I know it's going to be a blast. So stay fit and always stay healthy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and just enjoy all our episodes that we've been doing so far. I love you guys. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Mwah.